If your SimpliSafe base station shows a red light, here's how to reset it in 1 minute. First, locate the base station and confirm whether the red LED is solid or blinking. Step 1. Unplug the base station power cable from the wall and from the back of the unit. Wait 30 seconds with the unit unplugged to clear residual power. Replug the power and watch the LED for a green or flashing blue status. If the red light persists, prepare for a factory reset by finding the small reset pinhole on the back. Insert a paper clip, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds, then release. The base station will reboot. Wait 2 minutes while it reinitializes and reconnects. If the red light returns, check your internet modem and the Ethernet connection first. Try power cycling your router and using a different power outlet or cable as another quick fix. If problems persist, contact SimpliSafe support and have your account and device serial ready. That's it. Power cycle first, then factory reset if needed. Your system should be back to normal.